If you want your living room to feel more elevated, calm, and designer looking without changing the whole space, curtains make such a big difference. And these Pinch Pleat Linen Curtains completely changed the look of my living room. I bought 3 sets, so I have 6 panels total, and I went with the natural cream color because I wanted something soft, neutral, and light filtering. These are from Two Drapes, and each set comes as a pack of 2 panels. The size I chose is 40 inches wide by 102 inches long, so they give that longer, more dramatic look that works really well if you want your windows or sliding door area to feel taller and more styled. Before I show the finished look, I want to show what comes with them because this is one of the details I really appreciated. These curtains come with hooks and rings, so you can hang them in that more custom designer style way. But they also have back tabs, so if you prefer to slide them directly onto a curtain rod, you have that option too. For the hook and ring setup, you just take the curtain hook and place it into the pleat section at the top of the panel. I like to work across the curtain slowly so each hook is placed evenly. Once the hooks are in, you attach them to the rings and then the rings go right onto your curtain rod. It gives the top of the curtain that clean, structured pinch pleat look instead of a casual flat curtain panel. And that pinch pleat design is honestly the biggest reason I love these. It makes the curtains look intentional. They do not just hang there, they add shape, softness, and structure to the room. It gives the space that polished, designer inspired look without feeling too formal. The fabric is a blend of cotton, linen, and polyester, so it has that natural linen style texture, but it still feels practical for everyday use. The opacity is semi sheer, so these are more light filtering than blackout. For my living room, that is exactly what I wanted. They soften the sunlight, add privacy, and make the room feel cozy without making it dark. Once all 6 panels were up, the space instantly felt more complete. The natural cream color brought in warmth without overpowering the room, and the pleats added so much personality. I feel like they became a statement piece, but in a calm, neutral way. They do not scream for attention, but they make the whole room feel more pulled together. I also love how versatile the hanging options are. If you want the more elevated look, use the hooks and rings. If you want something quicker and simpler, use the back tabs. I personally love the hook and ring look because it gives the curtains more movement and makes the pleats fall beautifully. These would work really well in a living room, bedroom, dining room, or even for a sliding door if you want something soft and elegant. The longer length is especially nice if you like that high-end curtain look where the fabric reaches close to the floor and visually makes the room feel taller. For me, these curtains brought calm into the living room. They softened the walls, framed the windows beautifully, and made the space feel more finished. Sometimes one home decor change can make the entire room feel different, and this was definitely one of those changes. Overall, these pinch pleat linen curtains are worth considering if you want neutral curtains that feel elevated, light filtering, and designer inspired. I love that they come with hooks and rings. I love the back tab option, and I really love how the finished look adds warmth, calm, and personality to the room. If you found this helpful, follow along for more honest home finds and realistic decor reviews like this one.